Welcome to TokenWorks. I'm going to show you how to create an ERC20 token without any coding experience. So navigate to TokenWorks.io and you'll see that the wallet's connected up there. Now you will need to have metamask installed, and you can do a quick Google search, and these are the reputable places to get it. It is a Google Chrome add-in as well, and it's now a wallet on iOS and also Android. Sorry. Okay, so let's get started. So what we'll do, we're going to make a token called TokenX as an example. Put our token ticker symbol in here. How many decimal places? Usually 18. And we're going to create 100 million tokens. Press submit. Your MetaMask platform will open up, and you'll see our fee for creating the tokens, the tax, the transaction fee, and also the total. Click confirm, and all of the tokens will end up in your MetaMask wallet.